Welcome to online class. In today's class, we'll discuss regarding the problem solving tools. The key is to eliminate problem is creating a continuous improvement culture. A number of problem solving strategies are popular at present. These tools can be used in any industry, company or any other sectors. So it is necessary to identify the problem at a source, then correcting this problem and removing the root causes for the problem. So the continuously striving for this relentless identification and elimination of problems will mean that the company is more competitive and is effectively using the problem solving strategies. Okay, so depending upon the complexity of a problem, organization may choose any of the following strategies. So these strategies are given by the Kepner-Trigues. Okay, he has given the strategies like Six Sigma tools, 5 ways analysis, fishbone diagram, TQM tools, lean manufacturing principles, 5-step approach and failure mode effects analysis. Okay, that is known as the FEMA. So we'll understand the 6 Sigma tools and steps. The first one, this 6 Sigma tools includes what? 6 strategies to solve the problems. So the first strategy is define phase. In this stage, beginning thinking processes like defining the problem, deciding the project goals, fixing the scope of the project and searching customers, whether it is internally and externally. Okay, if the employees, suppliers, shareholders of the companies become the customer of the organization, they will be called as internal customers, and the external customers are nothing but the customers which are available in the market. Okay, so it is necessary to get as much background and first hand information relating to the problem. Okay, then the tools which are usually used for defining phase is project character, value stream mapping, understanding CTQs, stakeholder analysis, then cause and effect matrix and the whys of the customer. Next comes is major phase. See, under this stage, it is to be undertaken to measure the process to determine current baseline performance. That is, it is to understand what the problem is and in what condition the problem is. Okay, so this stage consists of conducting initial process measurement to understand what the whys of the current process or the current customers and begin developing the relationship existing between project and other factors. Okay, then the tools which are usually used are process flowchart, cause and effect matrix, then measurement system analysis and whys of the customer gathering. Next stage is analyze phase. Okay, in this stage it relates to what? Analyzing the data to understand the whys of the customer. Whatever the data will be collected from the whys of the customer will be analyzed, will be examined. So this helps to evaluate the reasons for occurrence of the problem and the potential root causes for the problem. So at this stage it focuses to narrow down the many causes to the few. Okay, so the tools which are usually used for analyze phase is histogram, time series or run chart, then cause and effect, fishbone diagram, 5 ways, hypothesis testing, then non-normal data analysis. Okay, then comes is improve phase. See, now is the stage of improving the process by eliminating what? Defects and the root causes to the problem. The stage is for what? Improving the process, and the process can be improved by what? Eliminating the defects or the root causes for the problem. Okay, this involves what? Performing design of experiments and finding possible solutions, verifying whether these solutions work or not and eradicating the root causes. So the tools which are used are brainstorming, mistake proofing, design of experiment, house of quality, failure modes and effect analysis, that is FEMA, and then simulation software. Next comes is control phase. See, in this stage, creating the new standard process to capture the new way of working and control future process performance. See, process analysis is critical here to understand the new process capability and control. So it should ensure that the new process is capable and it is in control. Closing the project also means that project cost savings should be calculated and verified, and all transfer plans or processes are created. The last phase is celebration phase. See, lastly what the stage is to what? Celebrate the success and communicate to the business. So what tools will be used here? Process sigma calculation, control charts, then cost savings, then control plan. So in this whole process, some of 6 sigma tools are commonly used throughout the project, like control plans, cause and effect diagrams, FEMA, then process flow charts and others. That is because new ideas may emerge at any time during the project. Factors that were previously thought of as being a big impact to the process, okay, so they may eventually be proved that they will help to overcome from the problem. They will help to solve the problem. Okay, this is regarding what 6 sigma tools and steps. The other things we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.